As we said earlier tonight, if your school isn't opening, don't accept it. It's your child, it's your money. Why should you pay for a service you're not getting? Reopen schools or give me my school money back. We said you should take it to the courts and fight for your rights and your money. And to explain how that could work, I'm joined now by a member of President Trump's outside legal team and executive director of the American Center for Law and Justice, Jordan Sekulow. Jordan, thank you so much for joining us tonight. You were the first person I thought of to talk about this because I guess you've been in the news and we all know what's been going on lately with respect to the president's legal troubles and so on.
Sure.
But actually a really important part of the ACLJ's work is supporting these legal cases that really drive forward a principle of freedom. And to me, that freedom of parents to choose the best school for their child, especially if the school isn't offering it, for all these reasons we've set out, is fundamental.
School choice has been an issue that we have keyed in on, and we've argued all the way to the Supreme Court for decades, not just one decade, but decades. And now we're starting to see real results when it comes to school choice. Those amendments that used to be in place that prevented religious schools from receiving voucher money, that was just struck down by the Supreme Court. That means all those amendments that came about in the country when there were a lot of Irish immigrants, Irish Catholic immigrants. I mean, think about that. It just doesn't seem right in 2020 that we had laws on the books in that many states, 40 plus states, saying that we're not going to give money to religious schools even if we do have voucher programs, because we don't like Catholics. That's how that law started in 1875. It was finally basically struck down by the Supreme Court this term in a case, the Espinoza case out of Montana. That's great news. But you point to the second issue is, it's great to have school choice, it's great to have vouchers if there's school, if there is school. And what we're looking at now is what happens for those underprivileged kids, the same ones we're working with, why we want vouchers. And we believe vouchers are the best option. You know, tax credits, they're great, they're wonderful, but a lot of these folks who are the most underprivileged, they're not even paying taxes, so these tax credits don't cover enough. Sometimes they're $500 or even $1,000. They don't cover the tuition. What we're looking at is voucher programs. But you've keyed on something important to all of us with children. Is school coming back? I will tell you, I get a different email every few days from the school, and I'm not sure, and it makes me nervous. And I'm in a situation, fortunately, where I could figure something out. Most people are not.
So let's look ahead, and I just want to give you a very specific situation. Let's say there's a parent watching tonight, and they're fed up, and they say, look, I'm not getting the answers I want from my school or my school board. I've had enough of it. I want to sue, to take them to court, to give me the money, like a voucher, so I can spend it somewhere else. Could you help them with that legal remedy?
Yes. So if it looks like in their district already that there is not going to be school, and some have already announced that, or the school is not going to be adequate for their child, at the American Center for Law and Justice, one thing we do, and this is separate from our work as attorneys for the president, but the ACLJ, we don't charge our clients. If you go to aclj.org and you're that person you just described, Steve, and you put that information out, you'll be contacted by one of our senior attorneys. That doesn't cost you anything. If we decide that you've got a case that we can go forward with, it won't cost you anything. We will fight the battle for you. And I think you've keyed in on a new battle, and I hope we can partner up, you and me and groups like us, who can represent these folks who would usually not have the means to hire big law firms. Hey, we represent the President of the United States. We can take a local school district to court or a state to court. Don't worry about that. But people, we can't do it without clients. So people have got to go to aclj.org. They've got to tell us what their situation is, and then we can go to fight for them.
Brilliant. I knew you were the perfect person. I'm so excited just listening to you, Jordan. Thank you for explaining that so clearly. And I really want to encourage anyone watching, whether you're a parent, you're a grandparent, and you know that the parents are frustrated about this, to listen to what Jordan just said. Go to aclj.org and let's fight this fight. Jordan, thank you so much for being with us.